How to use Sudowrite honest review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Sudowrite is an iWriting assistant, but beginners often make mistakes that limit creativity or productivity. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They rely too heavily on I without guiding it. The surprising truth is that Sudowrite works best when you provide context, prompts, and direction. Otherwise, output may feel generic or off-topic. Another common mistake is ignoring the brainstorming tools. Sudowrite offers features like plot suggestions and character development, but not using them wastes creative potential. Many users also skip iterative editing. Outputs are a starting point, not a final draft. Reviewing, revising, and integrating your voice ensures high-quality writing. Finally, beginners often underestimate formatting options. Sudowrite allows tone, style, and structure adjustments. Ignoring these reduces clarity and engagement. In conclusion, using Sudowrite properly means guiding the eye with clear prompts, leveraging creative tools, iterative editing, and adjusting formatting. Avoiding these mistakes ensures maximum productivity and creative output.